Qualityze, nonconformance software, for manufacturing. The manufacturing world is rapidly adopting cloud technology for nonconformance management. Nonconformances cause noncompliance risks and results in ineffective process controls. Are you resolving nonconformance on time? Automating nonconformance has been a challenge. Qualityze provides a fully automated nonconformance management system. Detect and resolve nonconformances efficiently. Trigger workflows to expedite resolutions. Initiate corrective actions as necessary. Integrate AI assistant to detect risks efficiently. Maintain all nonconformances in a centralized repository for analysis and reporting. Integrate nonconformance data with enterprise apps. Generate reports on nonconformance trends. Automate approvals with electronic signatures. Harness the power of Cloud QMS for nonconformance management. Leading life sciences companies are using Qualityze to automate and manage nonconformances.